Yeah. Mm, yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come and join us. Mm, yeah. Hello. Yeah, can you come on Zoom now? Please come. கீழே போடணுமா? கீழே போடணும். நான் ஒண்ணும் இல்லை. I'm just on Zoom only. இது சவுண்ட் வெளில வராது. ம். Dusari Dinesh, yeah. Hello. Dusari Dinesh, please unmute your this thing. Unmute your.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Dusari Dinesh, your interview is on which date?
21st, sir.
21st only. Sir.
Yes, sir.
We have time. We have time. Very good. Good. Which place is your interview?
Hyderabad, sir.
What is the subject for which you are, what is the post for which you have applied?
AFO, sir, Agriculture Field Officer.
Oh, acha. AFO. Good. Good. Shall I start now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me about yourself.
Firstly, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Dusari Dinesh, sir.
Hmm.
I am from Telangana region, sir. I had completed my agriculture graduation from Professor Jaishankar Telangana State Agriculture University, which is in Hyderabad. I am basically from a farming community. I had one brother who is presently working as software engineer. My hobbies are playing shuttle, listening to the music, and surfing the internet, sir.
Good. Which college did you study for agriculture? Which year did you complete?
2019, sir.
So after that, you have been preparing for exams or you have worked?
Yes. No, sir. Preparing for exams only, sir.
Very good. Very good. So have you appeared for any other bank interviews?
No, sir. This is my first interview, sir.
So this is your first interview you are attending for bank? Achha.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, what have you studied for this interview?
Sir, I have studied the general banking awareness term, sir. I had inquired about the crops which was growing in my locality. Complete information about my crops and the agriculture subject completely, sir.
Acha. Good. You are from which place actually?
Telangana, sir. Telangana.
Yadadri district. That in your district, what is the crop that is grown more?
Rice, sir.
Paddy only. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Paddy only, sir.
Paddy only. Acha. Good. So what are the problems faced by agriculturists in this regard?
Sir, in this case, we can explain very well, sir. The prices of the diesel or which are the equipment which were used by the farmers was growing high. But the MSP for the farmers is not growing as much high as the prices which was increasing for their investment. There after the harvesting, they would be getting the less amount when compared to that of their investment, sir.
So what is the suggestion you have for this?
There is only one suggestion for this, sir, because to increase the MSP, sir. Most of the farmers sell their produce to the government only, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell me about the farmer strike that was there in Delhi for 1 year? Briefly tell about that.
Yes, sir. The farmers were fighting for the 3 laws, sir. The first law is said to be the Farmers Produce and Trade Act, sir. And the second law is said to be the Farmers Price Assurance, sir. And the third law is said to be Essential Commodity Act, sir.
Mhm. Okay. So what was the problem about and how was it sorted out?
The problem is that, sir, in these laws there was the major damage, major loss to the farmers only, sir.
Mm.
In these laws, because if they in the first law, sir, in the first law we can say that the Farmers Produce and Trade Act, sir. In this, the farmers would be less benefited, sir, because if the farmers are selling their produce anywhere, in this law there is mentioned that the farmer could sell his product anywhere in their locality or in their state, sir.
Mm.
If they are doing like this, sir, after the few days, after the few days, the APMC centers will be closing, sir.
Mm.
The agriculture produce marketing centers will be closing, because the most of the farmers are at that time they will be selling their produce to the private persons only, sir.
Mm.
If this happens, the government will be the less procurement for the government side.
Mm. Now tell me, where is the need for commercial banks to give advances to agriculturists in as much as there is RRB and all that? Why there should be need for our commercial banks to give advance?
Yes, sir. There is a need in order to encourage the farmers, in order to improve the livelihood and in order to improve the economic status of the farmers. The farmer is basically a poor person, sir. He cannot afford as much as he can.
Mm.
If he takes the loan only, sir, he could meet his requirements of the farm.
Mm.
Without credit, he cannot complete all the requirements, sir. In order to improve the livelihood of the farmer,
Mm.
these commercial banks are need to give some loans to the farmers, sir.
Mm. Very good. 1 minute. Hold on. Sangeeta, you have come for this. You be listening to some of the things that may be slightly relevant for you, not totally, because when some of the questions relating to banking are asked, it may be of use for you. Good. Yeah, Dusari. Dusari. We once this 40 minutes is over, we will recontinue. Don't worry. We will recontinue and go ahead like this, because more people have asked for today's class. So that's why I thought this method is to be adopted. Now, why should we select you, Dusari? Why
Sir,
should we give preference for you? Yeah.
Basically, I am a hardworking person, sir. I am a genuine and the honest person, sir. I'm very much interested in serving the farming community, sir. Because I'm basically from a farmer's family, I would be very interested, and I know where the farmer would require the credit and what there will be the problem and how it would be sorted out, sir.
Good. Now, can you tell me about priority sector advances? What are priority sector advances, and what are the sectors to which banks are giving priority sector?
Sir, first of all, priority sector means, sir, among all the sectors, the importance should be given to these sectors, sir. Among the priority sectors, there would be the priority sector. Next one could be the agriculture, and the next one could be the MSME, sir. Among the commercial banks, the 40% of the A and BC should be given for the priority sector, sir. From that, 18% should be given to the agriculture, sir, and the 7% should be given for the MSME, sir. According to the rules of RRB, 70% of the A and BC should be given to the priority lending sector, sir. From that, 18% should be given to the agriculture, and the 7% should be given to the MSME, sir.
Now, what are the other sectors to which are classified under priority sector? Like infrastructure, then renewable energy, then education, housing loan, then small retail loans, small loans.
Yes, sir.
They are also classified as priority sector. Now, who is the governor of RBI?
Shaktikanta, sir. Mr. Shaktikanta IAS, sir.
Very good. So, what is the expansion for NABARD?
I could not get you, sir.
What is the expansion for NABARD?
NABARD is the Apex Institute of the India, sir. which could the main objective and the function of the NABARD is said to be the finance and refinance to the rural area institutions which are present in the rural areas, which could give credit to the farmers which are present in the case of rural areas. And the main function of another main function of the NABARD is to monitor their client banks.
No, but you have not listened to the question properly. I asked, what is NABARD expansion only I wanted. You should have told me National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Then I will ask you what are their functions. Could you follow?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So hereafter in interviews, we must listen to the question properly. Are they asking an open question? An open question is one where they want detailed answer. Where
Okay, sir.
a closed-ended question is one where they want some particular information only. For example,
Okay, sir.
For example, I ask you, what is the present CRR rate? This is a
4%, sir.
close-ended question. What is the present CRR rate? This is a close-ended question. Supposing
Okay,
I ask you, tell me about CRR.
Okay, sir.
Now, do you know about
Should I-
CRR?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yes,
me.
sir. CRR means the cash reserve ratio, sir. The present rate of CRR would be the 4%, sir. This is the liquid cash which the bank should be kept at RBI.
Mm.
This is called as CRR, sir.
Good. And now it is 4%.
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you tell me, this is a very important question for everybody. Can you tell
Okay.
me what is KCC?
KCC means Kisan Credit Card Scheme, sir. It was started by Government of India in 1998, sir. In this scheme, the government could be provide the loan to the farmer up to 3 lakhs, sir. It could be provide loan up to 1.6 lakhs without any collateral, sir. Means without any security free. After the effective rate of interest for the KCC could be the 4%. Actually, the rate of interest could be the 9% in the KCC, but the 2% concession could be given by the government. If a farmer repays his debit in the timely, the bank would be give another 2% of interest, sir. So the effective rate of interest could be 4%, sir.
Actually, I would suggest you are going through Bank of Maharashtra website. You are going for Bank of Maharashtra only?
Yes, sir.
You go through that website, and in that what they have given, you get to know that thoroughly. Okay. What you told is right. Absolutely no problem. You told correctly. Now, tell me, what is the food production in India expected in this year? Roughly.
Sir, the last time estimation, second estimation could be the 303 million tons, sir. 303 million tons, but now it was estimated around the 325 million tons, sir.
Are Baba, it has increased 325 million tons.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
excess. Good. So, what is the reason for our country being able to produce more than what we consume? What are the strategies?
Because most of the farmers are using high yielding varieties, sir. Most of the farmers are high yielding varieties, and the main reason for the increase in the food production is the most of the farmers are suppressing the pests by using the different types of chemicals, sir. By using different types of chemicals, and in some of the areas, the most of the farmers are using the IPM method, sir, which could definitely increase the production.
Good. Can you tell me about say the measures taken by government to help agriculturists?
Yes, sir.
It's a general question, useful for everybody. Now tell me, what are the measures taken by government? Yeah.
There are the different types of the schemes, sir, which could help the farmers in many ways. Let us consider KCC only, sir. With the help of the KCC, the farmer could get a loan up to the 1.6 lakhs without any collateral. Let us take Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, sir, which would provide the crop insurance to the farmers whenever there's a distress situation is there. The government also helping the farmers at the age of retirement also, sir, with the help of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. And there is another scheme which is called as a Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, sir. With help of this scheme, the government is providing the subsidy for the micro irrigation, such as the sprinklers and the drip irrigation system, sir. And the Paramprakat Krishi Vikas Yojana, which is for the encouragement of the organic farmers, sir.
Good.
Mm.
Excellent. And yeah, I think I have given you a link wherein 10 schemes have been. You are a member of my Telegram group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm the member of sir.
I have given some link for 10 government schemes and all. You have told about 4 or 5.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything that you omit? Anything that you omitted? 1 minute. Yeah, I'm getting it. 10 important government schemes for agriculture sector. I don't know whether you have covered this. Otherwise, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Why did you not tell about ENAM? What is ENAM?
Sir, actually, I'm telling, sir, in this gap, I got a call. I actually I cutted it, sir, but there is a gap.
Acha.
There is a gap. Yes, sir.
You got a call. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to? Would you like to
yes,
talk
sir.
to them first?
No, sir. I will continue with the schemes only, sir.
Yeah, ENAM. What is ENAM?
ENAM means that is a electrical. That is called a ENAM is a scheme which was provided for the farmers in order to sell their produce electronically, sir. ENAM is an electronic.
Don't tell electric. It should be electronic trading portal.
Yes, sir. Electronic trading portal for the farmers, sir. On this ENAM, there are more than 1,000 FPOs are registered till now, sir.
Good.
There are
150. Can you
151
expand? Can you expand NMSA? What is
NMSA, sir?
What is the expansion of NMSA? National Mission
on Sustainable Agriculture, sir.
Very good. National. You have to know about it. I am giving the link of that again in our group 72020. So when you go again, please go and read that thoroughly.
Okay, sir.
No, not that you don't know, but फिर भी और एक बार पढ़ लीजिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Once again, you can read that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 1 minute. I was seeing some schemes here. Where is that scheme? Yeah. So some more schemes are that Paramparagat Krishi Vikas
Yojana.
About what is it?
Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. It is about organic farming, sir. The government, the farmers who are doing the organic farming, there would be providing incentives. Generally, in this scheme, the farmers are farming groups. Generally, the 50 farmers farm in one group. Among these 50 farmers, every farmer could get a loan of the 50,000.
What is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana?
This is a crop insurance scheme, sir, in which
Bas. What is Gramin Bandharan Yojana?
Sorry, sir, I don't know, sir.
It is create a scientific storage capacity with allied facilities in rural areas to meet the requirement of farmers for storing farm produce, processed farm produce, agricultural inputs like this. Next one, livestock insurance scheme.
Yes, sir. This is the scheme which is useful for the livestock, sir. We can insure the livestock such as the buffalo and the cow. Whenever there is an unexpected thing happen, we will get a compensation, sir. What is micro irrigation fund? It is a part of the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, sir.
Good.
In this scheme, there are the 4 subcomponents, sir. Under that, one scheme is set to the micro irrigation. With these, there would be the Corpus fund of the 5 lakh crore from the NABARD for the development of the micro irrigation. Good. Now, will you be willing to relocate yourself? Are you willing to relocate from Telangana to other places? Yes, sir. Good. Now, what are your strengths? Sir, I'm a very possessive person, sir. I'm basically hardworking person, very honest person. Possessive person is a wrong point, is a negative point. Possessive means what? I want to have everything for me. That is possessive. What you have in mind? What you have in mind? What is strength? What are your strength?
Aim point.
I'm a hardworking person, sir.
Hardworking, right? Possessive emo cheppinare.
Yes, sir. I'm a very possessive person.
Possessive person ka matlab meaning is like this, that you want to have everything yourself, and not give it to others. It is a negative quality.
Okay, sir. I will
But,
change, sir.
but you can make it, I possess ownership skills. That is, whatever I do, I consider as if it is my own and consider as myself as owner, and I do it. That is a good quality.
Okay, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Okay, sir.
చెప్పండి. ఇంకా ఏమి స్ట్రెంగ్త్ చెప్పండి.
I'm a hardworking person, sir.
Good.
I'm a loyal person, sir.
Good.
I'm very punctual. I'm that very punctual person, sir.
Good. And also good in time management.
Yes, sir. Good in time management.
I have given you a link already, sbank.in, achievement motivation, wherein lot of qualities have been given, and some of them you can use it and tell. I am giving the link again today.
Okay, sir.
In say here also I am giving chat.
Okay, sir.
Where is the chat? 1 minute. I am giving you in the chat. You can download, you can see that. See the qualities that are given are, that is, you have it, but you are not able to tell it. That is, you are hardworking, you are
Yes,
self-confident, then you are positive attitude, then you are an innovative person, you always
sir.
likes challenges, and you
Yes,
possess leadership style, then you are having good prioritization strategies.
Okay, sir.
ఏది ముందు చేయాలని తెలుసు, ఏది తర్వాత చేయాలని తెలుసు.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Next question for you. Who is your role model?
APJ Abdul Kalam, sir.
No. Why should you tell about a person whom you have not seen? Have you given handshake to him? Have you worked
sir.
with him for 2-3 days?
No, sir.
Then why should you tell about him? You must tell about your own relatives or somebody whom you are seeing every day, and what are the qualities you would like to learn from him. It may be your daddy, it may be your uncle, it may be your neighbor's person, somebody, or it may be a political leader in your area whom you are seeing.
Yes, sir.
Close political leader, not Pradhan Mantri and all that. Not
Yes, sir.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, that's all humbug. That is useless.
Okay,
You
sir.
should tell about somebody. Apart from that, who is your role model?
My father is my role model, sir.
See how nice it is. What are the then you have to tell, my father is my role model. He is a farmer. He studied this much, and now he has been doing farming for so many years. And for
Yes,
him,
sir.
these are the good qualities in him, that he gets up very early in the morning, works till late in the night, and he is very hard working, and he doesn't feel bad whenever he is meeting failure also, and he is always understanding, and he is very calm and quiet. Some such extra masala you have to add.
Yes, sir.
So you have to tell only about your relatives.
Okay, sir.
What are the qualities you would like to learn from your daddy? Tell me.
He's a hardworking person, sir. He was not objected by any failures. He's a punctual man. He was doing farming since last 15 years.
Why?
Whenever
What
there
happened?
is a loss in
Before
farming,
that, what he
he
was
would
doing?
not leave the farming.
Before that,
And,
what he was doing? Before that, what he was doing? Because you said he is doing for
Sir, I
16
can't
years.
get you, sir. Your voice is stuck.
No. You said he is doing for 16 years only. Before that, what he was doing?
He was farmer only, sir. From my childhood, he is farmer only,
Then
sir.
why are you telling only 15 years? See, alage
sorry, sir.
we are doing mistakes like this only. When we introduce our father also, we are telling wrongly. Has he been working in some government department?
No, sir.
Then why are you telling like this? He has been a farmer from his birth. His father would have done farming and he has started doing farming. Is it not? What is it? Cheppandi. Hello? Are you able to get me?
Sir, your voice was not clear, sir.
Achha. 1 minute. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Now tell me, your father was a farmer right from beginning, na? Why are you
Yes, sir.
telling 15 years? Don't commit such mistakes.
Okay, sir.
You must be very clear about this. Then tell me next question for you. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are playing shuttle, sir, listening to the music, sir, and
Hmm.
surfing the internet, sir.
Very good. Listening to music, which type of music do you listen?
Movie songs, sir. Telugu movie songs, melody songs, sir.
Who is your favorite hero?
Pawan Kalyan, sir.
Pawan Kalyan. Which is the movie you saw last and which you like very much?
Sir, your voice is getting
no.
stuck, sir.
Which movie of Pawan Kalyan you like very much?
Jalsa movie, sir.
Acha. What is the storyline for that? Tell me briefly.
Storyline, sir.
Like, you know, in Prime TV and all, they give 2 lines. You know, the three unemployed youths join, they go to this city for gaining for employment, but they get into problems, how they come out. Like that, you should tell me briefly.
Yes, sir. A journey of a student from his childhood to the up to getting a job, sir.
Super. Good. You told very nicely. Now I will ask you 5 questions, simple questions. You should answer me. Who is the
Okay, sir.
governor? Who is the governor of Telangana?
Miss Srimati Amila Sai, sir.
Tamilisai Soundararajan.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, what do you know about Bank of Maharashtra? Briefly.
Bank of Maharashtra. It was one of the public sector bank.
Ask,
It was.
no,
Yes, sir.
you're telling very differently. I will ask briefly. How many branches are there? How many branches?
Around 700 branches, sir, I think.
Wrong.
Random guess, sir. Around 700.
Wrong. Sangeeta, you know how many branches are
1900.
there? Ah,
1900.
1900 branches. How many ATMs are there, Sangeeta?
Sorry, sir. I don't know ATMs.
Acha. Dusari, you know how many ATMs are there?
No, sir. Don't.
You
sir.
don't know. Doesn't matter. Who is the MD and CEO of Bank of Maharashtra? Dusari?
Rajiv, sir.
Very good. AS Rajiv. Good. AS Rajiv or what Rajiv?
AS Rajiv.
AS Rajiv.
Correct only. Very good. What is the total business position of Bank of Maharashtra? Total of deposit advances. You should know that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What is the total priority sector advances they have given? You must know about it.
Okay, sir.
What is the name of their mobile app?
Maha Mobile, sir.
Okay. Only one mobile app is there or 2 mobile apps?
I know only one only, sir.
Sangeeta, how many mobile apps are there for Bank of Maharashtra?
No, sir. I don't know.
Only, he says only Bank of
Maha Bank, sir.
Maha Bank.
Mahamob.
Maha Bank. Maha Mobile or Maha Bank? Very
Yes, sir.
good. Excellent. So far, I will rate your interview very good. So
Okay,
out
sir.
of 40, I will easily give you 30 marks.
Thank you, sir.
30 marks. But I want you to score more marks. So I suggest you prepare still more well. Today is
Okay, sir.
Today is only 14. You have
14, sir.
one more week time is there. You go through some more banking, some more agriculture oriented. I have not asked you about soil culture and
Yes, sir. You don't ask
yeah,
me anything about
I will ask afterwards. Next time when we meet, maybe on 17th or 18th, you can fix up an
Okay, sir.
appointment with me. At that time, you need to pay 100 rupees only. Okay. Yeah. So that is what it is. Now,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
I don't know. That's
I
because
could not hear it clearly.
that's because of internet problem. Nothing can be done by us. Now I said,
Okay, sir.
you can ask for one more appointment with me on 17th or 18th when we can discuss.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir.
If I get more agriculture people, I can join them all together and then talk up more also. I'll be able
Okay,
to
sir.
tell more. I can discuss about NPA. I can discuss about, say, other recovery methods, DRT, etc. Doesn't matter. Now,
Okay, sir.
are you having the link of material provided by me for Bank of Maharashtra?
Yes, sir. I am having, sir.
In that, there is a material known as Guidely, IBPS RRB PO material. Guidely.
Okay, sir.
Please go through
Guidely.
that. That is about banking.
Okay, sir.
Please go through that. I have given a material on agricultural FCI Agri merit.
Capsules.
You please go through that. That will
Yes, sir.
you prepare deeply, then come again whenever you want to meet me. Tell me one day beforehand so that we can arrange a common meeting like this. And
Okay,
now,
sir.
now you can be present here. Just
Okay, sir.
listen to what other speakers speak. It may not be directly relevant for you. And after this 40 minutes is over, I will again come. If you want, you can come and join. No problem. It depends on your willingness. Okay. But
Okay, sir. Okay,
I'll be
sir.
talking more about IT. I'll be talking
Okay, sir.
more about IT. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just be
Thank
here,
you, sir.
be observing. Good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sangeeta, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good. Sangeeta, you are from which state?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, I'm from Maharashtra.
Good. So if this Zoom meeting comes to an end, we will restart again within next 2-3 minutes. You can come again and continue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You are from Maharashtra. What is the degree you have done? Which year did you complete?
Sir, I have completed my BTech in the year 2019 from IT.
Acha. Then have you been working somewhere?
Yes, sir. After my graduation, I have joined Tech Mahindra as Associate Software Engineer. And currently I'm working as Software Engineer in Tech Mahindra.
Super.
Pune branch.
Oh, which branch in Pune?
Pune, Hinjewadi.
Oh, good, good, good. Congrats. Now, can you tell me your job role?
Okay, sir. I'm working in a support project. Here I'm working on the incident task and as well as CR management. Here I'm mainly handling the servers. I'm responsible for handling the server, whether to start the server, stop the server. Also, I'm responsible for the CPU usages of the server. If any CPU, if any server goes down or if any CPU goes high, then we take the necessary action. We also raise the COR. Also, I take immediate action on the mails. And also, I have done automations in my previous projects.
You said that when the server stops, what are the circumstances in which server will stop?
Sir, servers will stop due to OEM error, that is out of memory errors. And in many cases, some of the instance goes down. And mostly we are getting due to out of memory errors. Nowadays, this is frequently.
What is out of memory errors and why it occurs? And how are you getting over that, solving it?
Yeah, sir. Sir, out of memory error occurs when large number of users try to log into the system. We have a threshold measured for threshold measure for the system. So when the threshold exceeds, out of memory occurs. Now the solution for this is that we can restart the server. Either we can kill this. One basic solution is that we need to restart the server. If it is production, we can restart the server in non-business hours, and we can kill that processor and also start that.
Good.
This is the basic thing. And if it is very high, then we need to increase the memory. We need some permission, then we can increase it.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Now only 9 minutes is there. It will come to an end. Again, we will restart. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, right today, the SBPI PO results have been announced. And RRB has also released a list of marks and all that. The server is not at all accessible by them. It is getting jammed. So many, this is the reason probably. So many people access it at the same time. Maybe on account of that, it is not opening. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, what are the problems you have sorted out in your present assignment, which you consider as your achievement?
Okay, sir. Once there was a ticket, that CPU was occurring frequently. So we were thinking it was a normal cause, but when I took the thread dump, I went to find out the manual GCs I did. Then I came to know this was due to SSH error, particular client was logging in many times. So I have informed my manager, and then she took the necessary action for this.
Mhm.
And like, this was the one thing. And also like we are having some patchings in the night shifts. We are doing the night shifts, so we need to do patching in the like in non-business hour. So I have like very well done the patching in like last assignment.
Oh.
And also we had one release week, like last week we had one release week. So
Mhm.
there due to this like release week occurs like whenever there are new updates we need to put in production, so we need to do some release. So in that release week I was from my team handling our middleware team. So that time uh, 2-3 tasks were given to me, like some gateways are there, we are using some gateways, I have to change the node names and all that. I have done it very nicely.
Good. Very good. How many of you are working in your team?
Sir, we are a team of nine members. Two of them are on site, like they are working from Belgium, Mechelen, Belgium, sir.
Acha. Now you're all working from home only?
Yes, sir, we are working from home.
Acha, good. You are with TCS, correct?
No,
No.
sir, I'm from Tech Mahindra.
Tech Mahindra. How is the pay
Sir,
package from them? Is it okay? Say around 35,000,
uh,
25,000,
30,000 we get, but
roughly 30.
I'm doing roughly 30, but I'm doing some night shifts and day shift. Like we get allowance for what we do. So
Acha, acha.
according to that, I'm getting 33, 34. Like,
Is it?
it depends on shifts.
Do you like night shifts?
Like I can work night shift like whenever it is essential I can work, but long shifts I cannot work. Like sometimes they are giving me 10 days, 12 days, then it is like a headache for me.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can work. Yeah.
But now staying at home night shift may not be a problem, but working in night shift at the say odd hours going and coming, lot of problems are reported in say transportation and all. How do you try to safeguard your interests? Supposing, have you had the opportunity of traveling to office and returning in the night shift and all that?
No, sir, I'm new to this project. Like I've been working from last 1 year.
Only
So
from
from
home.
last 1 year, from home, like from 19, we are from home itself. So I didn't get a chance to go to office in night shifts.
Acha, you have been working from 19 also from home.
Not from 19. In 19, I was in other project. In this project is Telenet BVBA. This project I have joined in 20,
Acha,
like
acha.
after
And
1 year.
it is only from home, so there is, even if it is night shift,
There
it
is
may
no.
not much of a problem.
Yeah.
So, what do you think the government should do in order to protect the interests of women?
Like safety, you are saying?
Yeah, exactly. See, I just cannot imagine.
Like
Say so many things we read. What is coming out is only little, but in all these cases, let me tell you, the problem is the the particular person, he comes out of railway station at odd times and travels in a route which is odd. That is what I have seen, say in Bombay, in Hyderabad, in many other places. That is what is happening. But of course, in your case, when you are traveling say in a car given by your employer, there may not be much issues because his name would have been registered and all that. That will be the thing. So I recollected about latest problems say happening. Of course, public transport is always good, but then odd hours of public transport should not be used by women. So in banking, sometimes you may have to work till 8 o'clock in the night. How will you manage?
uh, 8 o'clock is okay, sir. Like if you're working in a metropolitan city like Pune, till 10, 11, 12 o'clock, I can see all the PMTs, everything is running fine.
No.
Even today I came.
Oh, sir.
Today I
Even
came at 8 p.m. I
8 o'clock.
went to my college, like even buses are not there. I went alone today whole day and I came back. Like
Oh,
safely alone I went and I came.
very good. So you know how to protect yourself and you are a confident
Yes.
person. Good. Excellent. I am happy. I'm very happy. Now coming to your IT. Now, what are the things you are prepared for this interview?
Like what I went through, or sorry, sir, like what
What are
you mean?
no, what are the things you have studied for the interview? What are the preparations you have made? Okay, you are told about your Tech Mahindra. They can
Yes,
also
sir.
ask you some more questions regarding Tech Mahindra. And
Okay.
next question will be, why do you want to jump from there to Bank of Maharashtra? It's a very sure short question. Why do
Yeah.
you want to jump from there to this place?
Sir, as I went to the job profile, they were asking an IT support administrator who should have troubleshooting skills, as well as that person should be the initial point of contact with the customers. So, as I learned from my past experience, like here I am troubleshooting the errors, trying and also communicating with the customers in everyday life. There also I would match with that. And one more thing is.
Hmm.
One more thing is that banking jobs are reputed job, and also it gives a good work-life balance.
Good. That's right. Good work-life balance also. Good. What do you mean by work-life balance?
Work-life balance is that it, along with work, it will give you some dedicated amount of time that you can spend with your families, and also you can have like mostly they won't give night shifts also. I don't think so.
That is no night shift. Acha, what about your daddy? What is he doing?
He's a farmer.
Farmer.
Like farmer.
Oh God, what is he doing? What is
Like we put cotton, like our side cotton is that like it's like less rain region it is, so we grow cotton and soybean like
Acha.
in a farm.
So you are in, what is your district?
So I'm from Chandrapur district, Maharashtra.
Chandrapur district. What are the places to be visited in Chandrapur? Imagine I'm coming to Chandrapur district.
Okay.
What are the places I should go and see?
Sir, you can go to Tadoba National Park. Like it is like one of the beautiful places. You can see tigers and like beautiful all the animals you can see there. And like devotional temples are also there, and Mahakali temple is there. This is very famous temple. Like many people come from all over. Like I have seen many people like Nanded and other city peoples are also coming here. So these two places would be the best for you.
Very good. Yeah, excellent. Now less than a minute is there. I think anytime it may go. So be ready for it going out.
Yeah.
Then again, we will re-log in and come. We will talk for another 20 minutes. Yeah. Wait a minute. You can take about 2 minutes gap before joining. Okay. Because let me find out who has to join us and all that. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Good. So you are from Pune and now you are now in Chandrapur.
I'm now in Pune.
Acha. Afterwards you will go. Good. Excellent. Interview is in Pune.
No, sir, it is in Chandrapur.